Hi, I'm Davita with WTI, and I have been looking for a really good collagen supplement for a while now. I've been really wanting to support my skin, hair, and nails quite a bit more, especially after the age of 30, your skin starts to lose its elasticity. And not only that, but collagen is also really great to support your joints and even your bones. So I really like using this collagen peptide supplement. This is by RealChoice Daily Life. And what I like about this supplement is that it's really good quality. The ingredients are really easy to read, they're simple. I like that their source for collagen comes from gelatin from bovine, and they are grass-fed and pasture raised, which is really great. So the serving size is 4 capsules. As you can see here, it's a pretty much normal size capsule. So you take 4 of these once a day. Inside, it looks kind of like a little powdery, if you can kind of see here. So they're really simple to take, just like any other capsule is. You just take it with water, and it's a really great way to support your health. So I'm really happy with this product, the quality of it, and I hope you will be too. And that's my point of view.